Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Synergy Mini Mask. So this is basically a slightly smaller version of the Synergy Twin TruFit mask. I'll show you them compared in a second, and it's just a little bit smaller. So for women and children, people with kind of slimmer faces, you're going to get a more effective seal. You also get a slightly nicer sort of mask strap as well, which is going to be quite a nice upgrade. But first of all, let's compare it to the traditional, just so that you can kind of see the size difference. So it's just a little bit sort of slimmer, and the skirt itself is that little bit smaller. So not a great deal, it's not a tiny mask. You just kind of shave maybe like ½ centimeter off it. It just gets a little bit smaller, and the skirt itself is that little bit slighter, so it's just going to fit a little bit more comfortably. So looking at the mask itself, so this is a framed mask, so you have this external frame, you have tempered glass lenses, so very strong and reliable, and they're this modified teardrop shape, so you get a really effective sort of field of vision. You can look down and read your gauges very, very effectively. The nose pocket is a decent size. You also got this grippy sort of detailing on the sides of it, so it's quite easy and natural to sort of pinch your nose and equalize. The mask strap is attached directly onto the skirt, which gives you a nice amount of flexibility and freedom, which also means that it can sort of fold down nice and flat, so packing it is very, very easy. But because you've got that hinge section in this kind of circle, just means that that mask strap can fit wherever you want on the back of your head. So this is also a push button quick release, so you can undo that and swap the strap over as well. So that's a lot easier than having to sort of rethread a traditional silicone strap. This is a new style of strap from Scubapro. This is it's a lot like a ski goggle sort of strap. It's elasticated material, so that stretches, but it's not sort of made of silicone, so it's less likely to tangle up in your hair, especially in the buckles as well, so it's going to be much more comfortable. On the inside, you can see we do have some sort of it's kind of sticky, tacky-like detailing. So this is going to add a little bit of grip, so it can sort of hold in position, but it's not actually going to sort of pull and tug on your hair. It just holds that mask strap in position. Now you can adjust this very quickly, just by sort of pulling that strap through, making it tighter or looser. That way you only have to adjust it once, and then putting it on and off, you've got that stretch, so it's nice and comfortable. You also have a Snorkel Loop, so the keep that comes as standard, sort of already fitted to the left-hand side. Just kind of feed your snorkel straight through there, and that holds it in position on your left-hand side. Okay, then we have the TruFit Skirt. So you notice we have these kind of ribs all the way around it. This just allows the skirt of the mask to maintain shape, but in between it's much thinner than a normal skirt, so it actually molds more effectively to different face shapes without applying too much pressure to your face. So very, very comfortable and very effective at creating a seal. And on the inside you can see why, because we have a second internal skirt and then this external seal, and what that does, it creates a very wide sealing area all the way around your face, and that traps the air inside and keeps the water out. On the inside of the mask, sort of not much to see inside here, but with the clear skirt, it lets lots of light in. It also comes in a black skirted version, which kind of focuses your vision to what you're looking at. But this kind of TruFit is very, very effective, nice and comfortable. My other half, she dives in a mask with this TruFit technology, and she loves it. She swears by it. Very, very comfortable, and it doesn't create that kind of red mark around your face because you don't have to tighten the mask. It just kind of sits on your mask very comfortably. So Synergy Mini is just a slightly smaller version of the Synergy Twin. I definitely like it. You've got this upgrade in the skirt. There are no real downsides for me. I definitely like it. This is the Scubapro Synergy Mini mask. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.